In this lecture, we are going to talk about structure and type of muscles in the body. What is muscle? Muscles is a contractile tissue which brings about movement. Muscle cell responsible for our movement, both visible and invisible. Example: walking, talking, bowel movement, urination, breathing, heartbeat, the dilation and constriction of the pupil of our eyes and many other. ऐसे मूवमेंट के लिए भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है जो वॉलंटरी हो रही है और ऐसे मूवमेंट के लिए भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है जो इनवॉलंटरी हो रही है. When we are still and sitting or standing, muscle cells keep us straight. हमें इरेक्ट रखता है, हमें सीधा खड़ा रखता है. Muscle can be regarded as the motors of the body. Muscle comprises about 40 to 50% approximate of our body weight. There are approximate 650 muscles in the body, alternating contraction and relaxation of cells. Now let's come to the functions of muscles. The core function of the muscle is to convert chemical energy ATP into mechanical force. Producing movements, muscle move the bone of the skeletal by their connective tissue attachments, enable all kind of voluntary movements. Maintaining posture and body position. When not moving, the various parts of supportive skeletal are held in position by isomeric muscle contraction. Stabilizing joints, maintains body temperature. Muscle contraction generate heat that is involved in maintaining body temperature. Now properties of muscles. आओ देखते हैं property of muscles क्या है. Excitability. It is the ability to respond to stimulus which may be delivered from motor or a hormone. Contractibility. It is the ability of muscle cells to forcefully shorten. छोटे होने का. Extensibility, it is the ability of muscles to get stretched. Lack of extensibility is called as spasticity. Then is elasticity. It is the ability to recoil or bounce back to the muscle's original length after being stretched. Muscles have been classified using different criteria, namely location, appearance, and nature of regulation of their activities. Based on location, 3 types of muscles are identified. Types of muscles in the body. There are 3 types of muscles in the body: skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are in the stomach and soft areas, and cardiac muscles like in the heart, and skeletal muscles are in the hands and legs. Skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are also called as stipe muscles or voluntary muscles. Muscles, they are attached to bones and move the skeletal. They control the movement of the body in relation to the environment. Example: hands, arms, legs, neck, tongue, eyes. Skeletal muscles are multinucleate. Skeletal muscle is voluntary because its contraction is always stimulated and controlled by the nervous system. The central nervous system sends a signal to the muscles via nerves, which then convert chemical energy into movement and the muscle. It attaches to bone, skin, and fascia. Voluntary control of contraction and relaxation. This is the diagram which is explaining the properties and structure. Use this diagram for answering. Important terminologies which we are going to use in other lectures also. Myofibril. It is a complex organelle composed of bundle of myofilaments. This is known as myofibril. What is myofilament? Macromolecular structure of contractile protein is known as myofilament. What is sarcomere? The smallest single contracting unit of a segment is sarcomere. Deep fascia. Binds large group. It binds the large group of muscles into functional groups. Then muscle, hundreds of fascicles bound together, epimysium. Fascicle, thousands of muscle fibers bound into discrete unit by perimysium. Muscle fiber, single muscle cell surrounded by endomysium. Muscle cells are called as muscle fibers. Sarcolemma, plasma or cell membrane of a muscle cell. Sarcoplasm, cytoplasm of muscle cell with large amount of glycogen and myoglobin. Myoglobin is red pigmented oxygen binding protein. Connective tissue layer, epimysium, perimysium, endomysium. Contraction depends on two kinds of myofilament, actin and myosin. This is the diagram showing details of skeletal muscles where tendons are attached to the muscles. Interaction of muscles. Agonist, prime mover, it provides major force for producing movement or doing work. For example, curing a bar, the agonist biceps brachii muscle. So this is the first part. Rest we will cover in the next part.